Hi and welcome back again. Right, we're over here doing the Rover again. I've already made a little start on it, and I'll show you what I've been doing. Now we've got some light so we can see what we're doing. We might have too much light here actually because it's all shining back, isn't it? I've just been cleaning up this edge, sort of the inner wheel arch, which is pretty good. There's only that one spot there that needs repairing on that. And then I'm just fabricating the panel just sitting there. I was going to make in one complete panel, but there's actually an overlap here, so I'm going to make it the same as original. So I'm just going to bring this panel up to there, and then we do the rest of it in one piece. So as you can see, that's what I've been doing. I've basically been cleaning. That was what the other part of the inner arch was like. So I've just ground all of that edge off, and I'll have to do the same on that bit, but I should get this bit done first and then we'll go from there. Right, I shall fabricate the panel and then I'll be back. Right, so I've cut a little patch for where that edge is damaged, which is rusty. It's only a little bit. Just holding it there with my magnet, so I'll weld that bit in place, and then we've got this bit here that will then fit up in there. Like I said, I'll cut it down a bit shorter so I can do that in two pieces. Right, yeah, let's get the welder out then. Alright, so that's that little bit welded in. Just going to stick a flappy disc in there. So that's that edge all good now. Put a bit of weld through primer around there. And some on the inside of my panel. Yeah, this looks a bit surface rusty. I think I'll take it. Made me plate up. Punch some holes in it now. And put some weld through primer on the inside. Even though some of it I can get to anyway, because obviously it's inside the boot. But the bottom edge there, obviously between the two panels. So yeah, just to try and keep the rust at bay as usual. Right, wait for that to dry, and then I'm going to clamp it in there and weld it in. Right, so I've got my patch all clamped in now, down here, there. So get the welder out again and weld it in. Just try and zoom in a little bit so that's out, isn't it? I'll try not to get in the way too much, but it's quite difficult not to get in the way sometimes. Right, let's do it. Right, so that's that bit welded in. Need to give that a bit of a grind up now. Yeah, not too bad. Better than the rust. Right, so I'm not going to film grinding it, but I should come back in a minute once I've done that, show you what it's like. Right, so we're giving that a bit of a clean up now. You can see. Try not to take too much of the weld out, just to keep the strength in there. So I'm going to put some etch primer on that, and then a bit of epoxy primer, and then we're going to continue with that bit. Actually, we might do the priming afterwards, because otherwise it's going to have wet paint right near where I'm going to grind, and all. But yeah, that's the next bit. Get that bit filled in, job's good. Right, so I've cut that out a bit neater now and cleaned up that edge. Don't need to repair any of this around here, so that's all good. I was going to do this in one piece, but this end piece does sort of angle around at a bit of a funny shape, so I think I'm going to make a piece to about here. So I'll do that in one bit and then fill in that middle section afterwards. So otherwise I think it's going to be too complicated to try and do it in one bit. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. Oh yeah, so I've cut a bit of plate now to go in here. Seems to line up okay, so that's all good. Drilled some holes in it, plug weld it along the bottom. So now once again, bit of weld through primer on the back of the plate, bit on that lip, then we'll get that stitched in. Alright, so they're all clamped in place now, so let's get it welded in. It just leaves out a small bit then. Right, so let's have a bit welded in. Have a look, shall we? See some of my dodgy welding. Not too bad. Just got to fill in that bit there now. Excellent. Each bit I do is one bit less. Right, yeah, so I'm going to cut a bit through in there now. then we get that bit stitched in, and that's probably going to be about it for today, I think. Alright, back in a minute. Right, so that's it for this top part anyway. That needs all welding lower down in the wheel arch in a couple of spots, but that's definitely the worst of it done now. So yeah, give this a bit of a grind over. Once again, I'm not going to film the grinding because it's pretty boring, isn't it, I should think, for you to watch. So we'll give that a grind over, and then I'll be back. Right, so that bit's all ground up now. That's that whole top area of the inner wheel arch repaired now. Well, apart from the splash guard bits. I've still got to repair the splash guard because I have been investigating to see if I could get a new one for this side, and for some bizarre reason you can't. So I'm going to repair the one that I've got. Probably just as well, but even if they did have one, it'd be too bloody expensive anyway. So yeah. So, well, yeah, of course I still need to put the channel back in along up to here as well. Oh, shall I do that today? I think that might be a job for next time, or one of the jobs for next time. Right. Alright, so that's it. Bit of etch primer on it and that now. I did just tack that trim piece on. Trim piece? The gutter. Oh no, I don't know. What do you call it? It's the rubber retainer for the wing. But yeah, anyway, I just fit that on there. It all looks pretty good to me now. So yeah, that's about it for today. Not a bad day again really. Got another little bit done. So yeah, moving along slowly but surely. Right, yeah, anyway, well, if you've made it to the end of this video, then well done, and hopefully I'll catch you next time, and we will find what we're going to do next. Probably going to repair that splash guard next time, I should think, but we'll see. We'll decide what to do later. Anyway, right, yeah, so thanks for watching, and until next time, see you later. Ta-da, bye.